Okay, it's day 2, getting ready to get on the road. Make the final push, 4.5 miles up that chute over there and across those mountains to Mount Whitney, which is right there over extreme right. So everybody's just packing stuff up, getting ready. Weather's been cooperative. Should be warm today, warmer than normal. So we'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. Start of the day hiking up the famous 99 switchbacks. Jim in the lead. For now, yeah. All right, just have to go up that small hill. Okay, we just hit mile 1, doing switchbacks on the way up, making jokes.
Unmelted snowdrift.
Looking for marmots, and you can feel the altitude. We've run out of adjectives, I think.
Hey, 2 cannibals are eating a clown. One cannibal says to the other, "Hey, does the meat taste funny to you?" Yeah.
Okay, we are somewhere near mile 2, although all of our GPSs disagree on the exact distance and also exact altitude, but we're above 13,000 feet. Looks a lot like mile 1. Switchback, switchback, switchback. We're climbing though, we're getting there. You can see down in the valley here, down where we camped. Yeah, but we should be up the trail crest here pretty soon. Turn the camera back on for that because that's one of the neater parts of this trail, supposedly. There it is. There's our goal off in the distance. So we're at 3.4 miles. So another mile plus. And as I say in every video, we got a whole lot of mountain left to climb. Okay, just passing mile 4, or mile 4 on my GPS. Out of breath for the last little bit here. Mount Whitney's in front of us. Just gotta get through these rocks. So, should be a half mile left, maybe a little more. Okay, we can see the stone hut now. Got Ed behind me. The rest of the group is right back there. We'll wait up for him so we can all summit together. But sneak preview. It's amazing up here.
Did it, you guys.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, just finished 100 switchbacks.
Woohoo! Switchbacks are Dunsky.
First down we have Joe, the benefactor of our wonderful trip.
We did 198 switchbacks.
Jim, our lead guide. Ed, who despite his skook upbringing,
Looking good, Lewis.
despite his skook upbringing,
Well done, man.
did not tunnel under the mountain but went over it.
True.
And we have Maddie, our pace setter, who got us up the mountain and conquered the mountain today.
Yay.
Good job, guys. Good job,
7
guys.
hours and 3 minutes.
7 hours and 3 minutes.
Beautiful, bro.
Awesome. Okay, we're just finishing out the Mount Whitney trail. Started this morning at 8 a.m. Hiked the 4.5 miles to the summit. Spent some time at the summit. Hiked back to Outpost Camp, another 4.5 miles. Packed our stuff up, and then Ed and I came back. Our other friends decided to stay one more night at one of the other camps. But Ed and I heard there was beer and pizza in Lone Pine, so we're gonna head there. Victory dance. Finished.